Hello everyone, my name is Brian Salazar and this is my video for the task 3. Introduction. Espinal is a small and beautiful town. It is of Tolima, 57 kilometers from Ibagué. It is known for the manufacturing of musical instruments and has a famous gastronomy. It is known for its rich musical culture and delicious food. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 2 days. On the first day, you will arrive and be installed in the hotel. Right after that, you can go for a walk and taste some of delicious food you can find in many places around the town. At night, in you can go and have a fun time on of many discos there are in the town. On the second day, you will go to music festival that lasts a day with a huge variety of music and you can buy food and drinks too. Activities. It's a small town without traffic problems, so you can take a taxi to head the place. You can to visit, you can eat delicious food, assist to music festival, or go to discos at the night. Food. You can taste the magnificent gastronomy from Tolima like lechona, tamales, and typical drinks. Conclusions. The cost of the trip is about half a million cup and is totally worth. Thank you.